Hey guys, welcome to my sister's channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you subscribe and I hope you share the video to all your friends. Enjoy the video and basically recreate the look. So guys, we are starting off with our primer, Black Radiance True Complexion Primer. Guys, get into it. Get into that. Protect your T-zone area, guys. That is what this baby girl is doing, because she ain't got no choice. She needs to look flat. She needs to look snatched. She needs to look super good. So when she's through, showing love to her face, she's going in with her foundation, the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Cappuccino. I believe that's what she's doing. And she's using her beauty blender to just, show her face some love. Spread this foundation. Make it work. Show us what you are capable of doing. I really don't know why I said that. But that's basically what she's doing. She's just making sure that the foundation is basically on the right surfaces. So guys, our next direction is the T-zone area. You need to make it pop. You need to make it stand out, guys. So she's going in with her LA Girl concealer in the shade medium beige, to just, as I said earlier, make those places pop, so that whenever she takes those fly pictures, she gonna look snatched. She gonna look good. Baby girl gonna look smart. And she is blending and blending and blending and blending and blending, to make the place look smooth. She's basically at this point using her Sacha Buttercup setting powder to just slay that face, and going in with her Milani compact powder in warm shade, in the warm shade, whatever that means. But her shade is warm. Just slay everywhere and make it like cool, make her face look natural. She don't want to look too confused. Baby girl don't want to look confused. And she's basically contouring some areas, just subtle contour, guys. You don't want to over snatch the face to look confused in a way or look too artistic. Just give it that subtle contour, guys. So guys, we are going into the eyeshadow look, and this is from the J Cosmetic palette. I'm using two shades of pink, the deep pink and the light shade of pink. This palette is very pigmented, guys, so you need to be careful with the way you taking these shadows, because you don't want to go and overdo it and not know how to blend it or blend it in the wrong area. So she has taken in the dark shade, the deep shade of pink, and is using it on her crease area, spreading it out and showing it some love. That's basically what she's doing. So guys, after blending the crease area, she's going in with her LA Girl concealer to just she wants to get the cut crease look. So that's what she's actually aiming for. So she's going to spread out the foundation basically on the hood of her eyelid, and then she's going to go back in with her eyeshadow brush, the one that she used to blend out the deep pink shadow, to just cover up the edges of this concealer to make sure that both of them are together. They are not separated. They are not divorced at all. No entanglements. So guys, the concealer is being set with the light shade of pink from the same J Cosmetic palette, guys. You want to set that concealer with this light look to just get this beautiful face. Not the beautiful face. To get the beautiful look, guys, that is what she's doing. so you need to like pay attention, get into this, focus on this step. That's what she's doing, and she's blending out the eyeshadow, making sure that everywhere is together, and the concealer is basically just covered up, set, and it is looking good and doing its job. So guys, we're using the Marbrook eyeliner for the leave-in and the e.l.f. mascara to just add more poppings to the eyes. After that, most of the look is going to be done off camera, and she's going to pop up, come out, and look radiant with her nude lips. That's basically all for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you share the video, guys, and just leave your comments or maybe your requests, whatever look you want her to do next. If you want her to get into her hair, that's all. Love you guys, and we will see you back in the next video.